What's going on, people? How's it going? Excuse me for having my top off. It's boiling. If you were in here, your top, probably your bottom, would be off as well, my friend. So don't cast judgment on me. Without further ado, today we're jumping into a perfect tool for all freelancers out there. If you're a freelance video editor and you do any micro content whatsoever, watch this video in its entirety, and together we're going to learn about a new tool, which is absolutely awesome. On screen right now is the tool. It's called Ofeeoo. I'm going to drag it over a little bit here so that me in the bottom right isn't blocking it too heavy, but screw it. That's actually looking okay. Ofeeoo on the screen right there is more or less a tool to, just had to turn my camera off over there a sec, but it's a tool to create micro content without actually having to edit anything. So this is perfect right off the bat for people with slow computers. If you're a freelancer and your computer is not the fastest and you struggle with creating kind of high moving graphics or like high quality motion graphics and stuff like that, a site like this is perfect for you. Also, if you're creating literally any micro content for any clients right now, this is perfect for you. This is more or less a perfect tool for any freelancers creating micro content, and that is what it is. It's called Ofeeoo, Ofeeo, and it is created to create social media videos and to make the process of creating videos for social media, aka micro content, as it's sort of now branded, much easier. Just makes it loads easier, and they do this via giving you a whole bunch of different kind of templates that you've got right here. Now, first off, before we actually get into showing you how this stuff works and actually breaking down some of this stuff, and they got templates for goddamn everything. There's a sale going on. They got templates for it. They got everything fully customizable. Edit the text on it, right? You can click any of these, you can move it around, you can do whatever. Everything is 100% customizable, and then what you would do is just put your stuff in there. You would fill in your client's information, whatever. You would then click download, and you're able to just download it off the internet without having to render it or anything crazy like that on your computer. And overall, this is a huge cheat code, especially for my slow computer users, and also for anybody looking to just save any time. Like, to build anything like this from scratch, it'll be boring. It'll be a pretty much a kind of an effort, to be honest, to build all these crazy moving parts and everything like that. So a tool like this is awesome. But first off, let's go right here. To actually efficiently use it, you do have to pay for it. Now, on my channel, you know that I never promote anything that's paid unless this is an absolute killer deal, and this is a killer deal. I've even made it a better deal for you. So it's $19 per month, which is not loads for a tool that you're literally making money from. There is a free version, but don't even bother. It's unusable. They put a watermark. It's unusable. Screw the free version. Imagine there's not even a free version because it's not usable. The premium one is usable, $19 a month, but also anybody that signs up with my link down below in the description will get 25% off. So it's $19 per month minus 25%. You end up paying about $14.25 a month. So just under $15 a month. If you're in the UK, I know I got a lot of UK viewers, it's like a tenner a month, something like that. When I was doing loads of micro content for people, and a lot of freelancers charge about $10 to $20 per piece of micro content. So if you're charging 10 to 20 bucks per piece of micro content, the last client that I had that I did micro content for, I was charging 20 bucks a pop, right? You make your money back, and it pays for this in one job. So banger, makes a lot of sense to do it, and overall, this is why I've been so honestly happy to promote this software to you guys, this website to you guys, because I know it's a good deal. And if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know it's very, very rare for me to promote anything that's not free, because I'm always trying to hook you guys up with a good deal, not trying to benefit financially heavily off of you guys. But in this particular case, if you guys sign up, I'll get 25% as well. So not only do you save 25%, but 25% goes to me. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's actually explore this program, and let's see what it can do. Or not even a program. I'm using the wrong lingo. It is what it is. Screw it. Shout out to Ofeeoo. Big up to you guys watching this right now. Awesome. Let's jump in. So you got a whole bunch of different designs. Say it's International Day of Peace, all right? The one day, September 21st, it's my friend's birthday, right? Boom. You've got an International Day of Peace thingamajig right here. Say we want to go up here and we want to say, International Day of War. Say we're just being contrarians. We're nuts. Now it's the International Day of War. And say I don't want, oh, my bad. That just disappeared. Sweet. International Day of War. There it is. Cool. And then we go September 12th because that's my birthday. I'll just go 12. Boom. September 12th. So now we've actually changed it. So on my birthday is the International Day of War. Honestly, it's not very positive right now. Pretty negative, actually. But you see how funny these can get, honestly. And, you can change this stuff around. So I want these birdies up there instead. The birdies are annoying me down there. I want them up there. Or, you know what? I want it smaller. I want the birdie up there in the top. Everything's customizable. It's awesome. So let's skip back again. I'm not being too religious with actually following things through. What I want to show to you guys is a couple more things in a second, but here's what I want to really show you, okay? And that is to build your own. You can just build your own from scratch. So this is the most useful one for clients, I think, because a client might want some of that other cool stuff, but a lot of the time they send you a video, right? They send you a video and that needs to go in the middle. There needs to be specific text up the top. There needs to be text down the bottom, and it's a video going up on social media, right? Now, what you can do is you can just do your own, you know what I mean? So you can actually kind of bring your own content in there. It's under the media, or not under media, it's under my files maybe, something like that, yes. So obviously I'm still learning how to use this right now. I've literally used it a tiny bit. What we're gonna do is import a clip, okay? And I'm actually just gonna go ahead and throw that, or actually no, cancel that. I'll tell you what I'm gonna throw in there. I'm gonna throw in some content from a shoot I did for a car dealership called what's it called? Signature Cars. Their giveaway service. That's why I got confused. We called Win This. And these are clips from my giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway right now. Go to the channel. Or not a giveaway. I'm doing an editing competition. I'm giving away $100 to the person that wins. These are some clips that are part of that contest over there. But I'm going to upload this, let it compress the media, and let's throw it in the middle. Let's add some black bars up on the top, on the bottom, and try and create just like a normal meme video, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to see how relatively easy it is to just make a normal meme video. So I'm going to throw that there, drag and drop. I assume it could just be drag and dropped. Awesome. The quality does look like it just got destroyed a little bit, but that is what it is again. We're going to drag it out so that it covers the screen and bring it down. Let's find the centered line. Looked like that was it a second ago. Okay, cool. So we've got the center right there, and now let's go up to text. Okay, so what we can do is we can get some text. Now you can get animated text like this, or I guess this might, I don't know if it's animated, or I don't know if it is it animated or is it just laid out kind of cool? I think it's just laid out kind of cool. Okay, cool. So you can actually pick sort of the text you like. Now, this is cool. I like this. Now, let's double click that. And we want to say clips or editing competition. Oh, editing, my bad, contest. That's what I want to say. Come on, man. Let me click this. Boom. Editing contest number 1. A little bit of promo for the editing contest. Let's drag this down a little bit. Drag this over so it kind of fits in between. And just like that, we've added a dope title. It's already starting to look like a meme. Drag this over a tiny bit. Obviously, my OCD messes with me in terms of wanting it to be centered, kind of thing like that. The editing is cool, though. That can stay there. And then you know what we can do? We can actually go ahead and grab the next piece of text. I'm just going to click this one. These are all templates on the side. Drag these down. Let's drag them in. Drag them in, and we can actually pop that there. Hell yeah. Winner gets $100 cash. Even though it's not cash. It'll be sent over the internet via PayPal. But, that's internet cash right there. And there you go. So if we actually play this now, we've got the clip in the middle, which has been destroyed. Let's try download this in a second. Hopefully it hasn't massacred the quality that much, or else I'm going to take back a couple points off you guys, Ofeeoo. But overall, we've created a meme video. You know what I mean? Dope text on the top, dope text on the bottom. The clip in the middle, which I'm really fingers crossed praying is destroying the quality just for the sake of the playback. But let's go up here to download. And let's get the optimized file size, ideal for social media. Let's get MP4. Click it. We're getting your video ready now. Okay. Hold tight. Please wait. Your export is on cue. Okay. Very interesting right now. Let's take this second to point out that I still don't have a shirt on. What the hell? It's so hot down here. We're having fun with the tutorials, though. That's a fact. Never not having fun. And now it looks like we are entering the process of exporting. So it says at the top, we're getting your video ready, rendering your video right now, preparing, it's on 11%. And it tells us we may close the window now. An email will be sent to you when your video is ready. Interesting. Okay, cool. So I can assume this is probably taking a toll on the site side, not my computer side, because it's saying I can close the window. It's saying it'll be sent to me when it's ready. So I assume all the rendering and converting is done on their end. I'm assuming that entirely. There's no way that I'm not completely assuming that is the case. And it does make sense though, wouldn't it? Hell yeah. So we got 24% in, 25% in, and you know what? While we wait for that, we could just go back and actually mess with a couple more templates, right? So, okay, I'm finding the prices for some reason because I was trying to get all that on screen for you guys. Let's go back to create video. Let's have a look at a couple templates while this is going. But it is looking like it's going relatively quick. 39% already, 40% just as we're talking about it. But overall, I'm loving these templates. That's the thing. I think they can be utilized in such different environments. So there you go. That's a nice motivational kind of one. It's looking dope. You know, to be real, all these little particle overlays and stuff like that, these would all be different layers. So you've got a light leaks layer that's coming right there. You've got particles layer. And it looks like there is only a particles and a light leaks, but it looks like there's some raindrops potentially as well. So they've got all these overlays in the background, which would normally be different layers of your project. So if you got a slow computer, your shit would be bugging out for sure. But they've just layered all this stuff up together. There we go, 69%. Looks like we're moving in the right direction today. When International Cheesecake Day rolls around, people, we've all got ourselves a usable template. Oh, no, my bad. National Cheesecake Day. So which nation is National Cheesecake Day on 3rd of July? I'm not too sure. Nations, step up. We need to know, 78%. What I'm actually going to do in a second is probably go over to the email, unless it actually lets us have it here, or they might give us the download link just direct on email. World Tourism Day, there's International Day of War is over there. Labor Day, loving it. 4th of July, boom. Fried Chicken Day, now this is a day I can get behind. Okie dokie. The chicken does not look but it's okay. It's definitely looking fried. 79%. Let's have a look at what goes down when it gets to 100%. Wait it out. That's what we're doing. Come on, man. Open up. 79% TikTok. Fried Chicken Day. I'm loving it. International Cat Day. Happy World Photo Day. There we go. That's one that relates to us. Yes. Love it. The little animated emoji. Legendary. Look at this shit. Happy World Photo Day. Legendary. Absolutely love that. 94%. Held to the yes. I'm going over here. I'm going over here. Export completed. Awesome. Watch our video. Let's have a look indeed. Oh, yes. It's looking like the quality is looking perfect now. Yes. Big up to Ofeeoo. All the big ups. We said that we would have to take a point away if the quality was bad, but obviously it just reduces it for the playback. Legend. 100% co-sign behind Ofeeoo. I was really fingers crossed hoping because I'm loving this site so far. If they messed up the quality, it would have been a major point gone in their favor. This is not a point gone in their favor. Absolute banger. Was download it. It's 1080 by 1080. Literally perfect quality for social media. And just like that, guys, we have built ourselves a meme video out of nothing. Edited it together in seconds when it would take just an annoying amount of time to calibrate everything. Overall, amazing text. The video doesn't reduce any quality. Gains quality by the looks of it. Joking, obviously, but, you know, good quality. And we have succeeded in building a meme video out of nothing. Huge shout out to Ofeeoo, my bad. Ofeeo. I'm sorry, guys. I know probably one of the guys from the team is watching this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm terrible with names. It's not my strong suit. That's why I fucking sit here in front of the camera and make videos, and I don't read people's names all day. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to Ofeeoo. Guys, honestly, I endorse this so heavily. Let me find the pricing bit again, wherever it went to. Honestly, I endorse this so heavy. And if you've been following the channel at all, I'm repeating myself, you know that I do not endorse shit that, you know, I don't endorse anything. When's the last time I endorsed something? I'd never do it. So the thing is, right, I say that to say this, that if you've watched this video and it looked at all remotely good for you, sign up below. You're going to get 25% off, 19 bucks knocked down to $14.25 a month. Hopefully my calculator didn't let me down because I definitely don't know math like that. That's what the calculator told me. 14 bucks a month. If you're in the UK, that's about tenner a month, £9 a month, something like that. For something like this, if you're making money editing micro content for people, it's a no-brainer. You make your money back off of one sale, assuming that you're doing kind of consistent prices to what I know in my mind. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. Never said that a day in my life on this YouTube channel. Shout out to the Ofeeoo team for sponsoring today's video. Honestly, this title is going to be something along the lines of this is the perfect tool for freelance video editors, but I think I might have to make another video in a couple days, depending on the response, saying the perfect tool for micro content. I think that might even be a better title, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. I'm glad you guys have tuned in. I'm glad you guys have watched the video, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now to the actual Ofeeoo website down below if it sounds even remotely interesting. Honestly, when you use the link below, it's going to be 25% off and 14 bucks a month for this. I would have 100% bought this back in the day when I was starting my freelance career. And honestly, I've now got a premium thing because I made this video for the guys. Legendary. Big up to you guys. I'm going to use this. Certainly. Thank you guys for watching the video. I've been ItsJackCole for daily content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe now if you're interested. And I will see you in another video where it's less hot and I can actually not have to take my shirt off. I'm opening the window now that the video is done. Thank you for watching. Take it easy. Have a nice day. Later.